Sanibona Ndumelana Msheni, hi, welcome to Ntombi's Tea Elishisa Be. Alifuna ukuthi uliphuze uhamba, alifuna ukuthi uhlale phansi uzokwazi ukuli-enjoya. Let's get into the video. Aw, asikhulumeni ngoThuli P, the gorgeous Thuli P. What about Thuli P? She's a good actor. She is a good actor. Yazini. Kuthi iva simbona inemnyaza le ntombazana. Le ntombazana deserves Oscars. Le ntombazana deserves SAFTAs. Ngoba hayi uku-actor into engakuye. So I saw a post on Twitter about uThuli P, a DJ elapha ezinzulamizi kuma ones and twos. Mangithi ba, ngibona i-caption ibhala ukuthi Thuli P is such a good actor. And like manje uku-actor noku-DJ kuhlanganaphi? You know? And I'm like, okay, let me check the video. Mangithi nhla. Oh, happy. Shock of my life. But if you look at it, she is not actually DJ. Angazi kuwamanye amagigi, but there, hayibo. Ulowito betha kancane. Akayibambi, akayitrayisi. You know those buttons, they are not turning around. She's not turning the button. She's just, you know, she is ushaya lip sync yamabhathini angazi ukuthi bayibizani. Yebo, angathi hey ngiya DJ kanti next akhonto ehambayo. No wonder she was dating uDJ Maphorisa. Maybe kwazi bani asazi. Maybe DJ Maphorisa was helping with the DJing career because wow, she's just a face. Yabazi abantu bathi you are just a face. It's giving Thuli P. Ha, abangabambhuka kangaka umntana abantu kanti ufika lapha nje avela athi ayithware fela asikayithe yazi akapress nokupress angazi kwamanye ama-video, but this one, hayibo, this is not going to be allegedly. I'm looking at the video now, you can see the footage. She is not doing anything to those buttons, to that mix, that DJ set or whatever you call it. Hey, akuyenzakali lutho lapha. Imagine next time they must be wise with mangena or DJ Thuli P. And they show ukuthi i-DJing booth igude nabantu, because this guy or this lady was taking a video and you can tell that this person maybe knows ukuthi man, this person is not DJ, and she made sure ukuthi she or he made sure ukuthi I'm exposed, because what the hell. And you could see the guy behind could see that this person is not DJing. So that's why he was trying to about a full camera ukuthi hey angeni ndawo ngihlangene. You get Thuli P, yazi buhle buyasebenza, buhle buzokufaka ezintweni. Bekani manje umuntu wazi ukubhuka amagigi leso sikhathi akayenzi next. Kodwa abantu laba bawazi uku-DJ bahleli lapha balambile abana next. But those that are beautiful, hayibo, akugigwa. Ha. Osmat was the most like gentleman in Mzansi when we are talking amapiano male artist. Amazutos. He doesn't have to say anything. Uvela kuhlanya bogel, kuhlanya umamas. Hey, adisamanga bahlangisa bomamas ke uze ngenye uyathanda ukhipha igwamu. Tos was like, hey guys, ngifuna ukuni-aletha uba ithi ngiskeme u20,000 rand. 20,000. I was like, what? Yeah, but banemali ngaphandle 20K. Wathi yebo, ngiskema uba ithi and mangithi ngiyareporta. Abantu bangitshela ukuthi you are not alone. Dala sifisana nale nkinga eka Uber Eats. And he was like, you know what? Uthi ngenze i-video is because nginayo i-platform. So I was like, let me alert my brothers and sisters ukuthi yazini ningazodliwa nina u20K. Ngoba mangathi bekhipha u20K abanye bayosala ngani. Abanye mangathi khipha u20K ovela i-decline i-card, especially elami. So he was like, you know what, guys, 20K for me is not much. Like that's what he said, but not by verbatim. Like I'm not quoting him verbatim, but he's just like, no, 20K is like, yeah, you know, mali mara. I mean, I'm not affected. Imagine if uwe mawasaselo 20K boyoba yini mntanisekhaya, you know. So that's why nje nginqwayisa ukuthi yazini be careful, kanyiwa out there. And people were like, woka bhasi yemamuwe uyakayi bari wena isingwena no ways bari bakabulela kamuke isingwena. And he was like ra gore njwale, and they were like masikhuluma. ngezinto ezenzakalayo. Nina bama-big platform, you don't see the need ukuthi niwa-address beside Oscar Mbo. But namhlanje ngifuna sikuncede, but you are on your own. You are on your own. Dala sikhuluma ngalabantu bangaphandle wena ungasilaleli. Bathi phela Uber Eats, apparently Uber Eats foreigners, those type of vibes, you get it. And then ngiyazibuza ukuthi bathi manje mangabe wena sidila nala abantu ungafuni ukukhuluma basazonidla lama 20k basibakulayile abanye. Phela bakulayile. Angisho nani ignorant. I get why our South African artists are not getting involved, because bona they are not affected after all. Phela bona bazenzela imali, lento lithina esikhuluma ngazo, they are not dealing with them. Bona they don't have to go through what we are dealing with them. So obviously what we expect, uTosi akasahlale ekhaya, uTosi lezi zinto nezikhala ngazo, uTosi is not sending CVs, so akangendawo. UTosi is out there nje uzenzela imali, siphumulela iskipa sakhe, you-winter manje kuyabanda, uzoba khipha imbambo zakhe lapha aloku asibonisa, maqedwe uyaqola, maqedwe uthola imali, uyahamba usengela abo Louis Vuitton, abo Gucci. So why would he be bothered? I mean, he's making money. Probably being booked at those countries, probably bayamfuna eNigeria ukuthi azoperforma, wena ubhizi ufuna ukuthi alwe. Makathi ibheg ithini mntakama, bathi 50k per gig. Ubona kahle ukuthi yo 50k ngihamba mina, laba abangimele kancane. So today people are like, no, njengoba nawe ignorant, nathi we are going to be ignorant. Asinandaba thina, asinandaba ukuthi bakuthathele 20k sihlangana phi thina no 20k wakho. And that's how yaphela kanjalo ke indaba kaRapeleng. Thanks for watching till this far. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time when I drop another banger. Bye, Yola.